coffee's warm, the lights still dim, the hum of workday settles in. But more than tasked, it starts with this: a nod, a smile, the trust we build. You don't need to know all the right words, you just stay when it gets hard to be heard. You don't fix every crack in my plan, but you stand close and that helps me stand. We speak the truth and we let it breathe. We ask each other what we need, and when I fall behind or bend, you remind me this isn't the end. You make it safe to raise my hand, to get it wrong and try again. That's not just rare, it's where real work begins. This is where trust begins, not in the winds, but the way we begin again. Not in the noise, but the space we give, so every voice has room to live. We lift the load, we hold the line, we do what's hard side by side. This isn't just where work gets done, this is where I find someone I can lean on. You bring your strength, I bring mine too, but together we do what one can't do. The goals are big, but so are we. We move as one, not separately. You show me how to show up real, with all the doubts I sometimes feel. You give me courage just by staying, and that's more than words could be saying. When pressure comes and plans fall through, you don't point fingers, you follow through. You say we've got this, one more mile, and suddenly I can breathe and smile. This is where trust begins, not in perfection, but letting someone in. Not just the task, but how we care, how we show up, how we're there. We dream as one and fail and learn, and every time the fire returns, we're not just co-workers, we're allies, friends. This is where the workplace bends towards something better in the end. So if you ask what matters most, it's not the chairs or the corner post, it's the person beside me. In the spin, that's where the best days begin.